Hey guys, what's up? It's Anthony DeZette with Explaining the Cloud, and we're about to find out what eXp World is all about. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of Explaining the Cloud. And essentially, we're going to break down eXp Realty and talk to you again, what this company's doing, what's it about, and what's happening over here. So one big thing that you guys may have heard of before, obviously, if you're listening to this podcast, is eXp World. A lot of people are asking, what is eXp World? How do I get into eXp World? Just recently met with an agent this week, and they brought that up. How do we get access to it? And it's really interesting because they also said, well, every other real estate company out there offers their training to everyone. Yes, you probably can, but I can tell you, I guarantee you're not walking into that real estate office if you're with another company. So, eXp is in the same thing, man. This is a real estate world. This is where eXp agents and eXp agents only are going in and, accessing this information. It used to be open to the public, and when I say the public, I mean real estate agents, so anybody could have accessed eXp World, went in, listened to all the training, saw the amazing interviews with these agents, and, and just get a good insight what the company's about. However, like anything else great and out there, we've had a few people who it was, just things weren't going right, I guess. Other people kind of coming in and acting shenanigans on eXp World. But also, too, we're at over 20-something thousand agents right now, and it should be specific to someone who is either very interested in eXp, like you're talking to a real estate agent that's with the company and you want access to it, or you're with the company. I mean, we have some amazing people teaching amazing classes. And you know what? It's time for skin in the game, guys. If you're interested in learning about what we're doing, then good. Reach out to me. You can reach me on Facebook, Anthony DeZette, Instagram, Anthony DeZette. Go on Instagram to Explaining the .cloud on Instagram, our awesome Instagram page we have. And look, X for an invite. I'll get you a 5, 10, 20-day pass, whatever you need to access some of this stuff. So, back to people are asking, what is the cloud? And guys, look, cloud is a technology term right now where it's, information being stored out into the cloud, a data cloud where a lot of things are put outside of, localized to a hard drive. And eXp World's just like that. It's a world out there that is sitting on the drive. It was created by a company called Verbella, and eXp just recently, bought that company. The amazing thing is, this eXp Realty has grown to such a level, like other really hot, killer technology companies out there. They're buying other existing technology to compete and stay relevant in the real estate world, and they did it. They bought this company. So now Verbella, who created eXp Realty, for eXp Realty specifically, now it's owned by eXp Realty. So eXp World, Verbella the company, and cloud. And look, there are so many other cool, amazing features. Go check them out. Verbella, VIRBELA.com. Go look at some of the cool stuff that's being done. Something they announced at eXpCon was virtual offices for teams. Guys, absolutely amazing. I think it's like $100 a month. So if you're interested in something like that, reach out to me. I can get you a tour of the world. But my team, my Homes and City team that I run, we got some cool stuff coming out with podcasts. So you guys stay tuned. But we're about to go launch into eXp World. My team, entire team, which stretches across America, will be meeting every day, interacting, trainings, support, whatever you need. We'll be meeting in eXp World, our virtual office for the Homes and City, Homes and Beach real estate team. So cool stuff. Again, go check out that website. Go see some of the services, the different things they offer. A little bit more about eXp World. I want to welcome you to it. The world is a real estate office of the future. It truly is. One of the hashtags, I think I see the other day, I've been using in some of mine, so we're making real estate fun again. And it's really, I like that hashtag. I like that statement because it is. It truly is. We're excited over here. If you're listening to this podcast and you hear me talk about it, I'm excited about eXp Realty, the company, right now. And the truth is, we're changing the game. This is the real estate office of the future. Just recently I was in, Natchitoches, Louisiana, Shreveport, Louisiana, Dallas, Texas, Las Vegas, Nevada, all over the country, at meetings, meeting with other agents. And the cool part is I could access my office all the time, my team, my support, my trainings. Think about that, guys. Can you take a vacation right now to Hawaii or to, Tahiti and still attend all the trainings and still attend all the sales meetings? Yes, you can, but it's going to be a little difficult. This world has it built in. It is amazing. It's something definitely worth checking out. So, real-time support is probably the thing that I think a lot of people, you hear about the cloud, you see it, people talk about how cool it is and different. Look, the number one thing I tell you, every company has a front-end consumer-facing website. That's not the technology that eXp is built on. I think sometimes it gets sold that, oh, we are such a great tech company. We have all this tech, and websites. Look, they're great, yes. But the support is the number one thing that I honestly believe no real estate company can touch. This is legitimately real-time support. You walk into the cloud, you're sitting face-to-face speaking to someone, whether it's in accounting, tech support, tons of departments. Got 400 employees that are there to help you. I challenge anybody. Look, reach out to me via Instagram or Facebook. Tell me if your company has anything like that. Show it to me. Take a video of it. Okay? And in previous podcasts, I mentioned a gentleman that I met with, and he talked about, hey, Anthony, why do I have to access the world if I can go to my office and get in touch with someone or speak to someone right then and there and they can handle it? You said the word. You have to go to. As I sit here at my laptop recording this podcast, and by the way, I'm in Shreveport, Louisiana right now, and I'll be in different cities recording this, I can go log into eXp World and go talk to somebody right now. I don't have to go up to podcast. I can legitimately bring them into my headset right now and probably talk to them. You guys could listen to them while I'm on this podcast. Those departments are amazing. The people there are amazing, and you legitimately have your answer within minutes. The team collaboration piece is huge. The reason, somebody asked me today, I interviewed an agent that I had an interview with at a coffee shop about joining our team, asked me, why did you make the transition? What was the reason for leaving? And I've been asked that question a lot, and I'll tell you that at the time when I left, it was an opportunity. Now, as I sit here and things are growing, that answer is a lot more defined. Big thing is team collaboration. I remember, back when I was at Keller Williams 10 years ago or 8 years ago, however long it was, and our team, I had an expansion team, and I had a team in multiple cities, and the way we would prospect is we'd get into a Google Hangout, and we would kind of see each other and make phone calls and talk. Look, you can do that now with a screen and everything inside this world. Really interesting stuff. And man, if you embrace this technology, the information sharing is unreal. The daily trainings, I tell you, are epic. Again, if you want access, you have got to reach out to me. You can hit me up on Facebook, Anthony Dezette, Instagram, Anthony Dezette, or email me, anthony.dezette@exprealty.com. I'll get you an invite. I'll sit down and show you. I will walk you through the world. Really cool thing, I love it, is that they have a person that you can walk up to, like an information desk, and they will give you a tour of the entire world and show you everything, how cool it is. So the basis of this world, man, what Glenn Ed came up with is working from anywhere, anytime. And you got to think about this. Right now I've been challenging myself to get up at 5 a.m. in the morning. Before 5 a.m. club, and check out that Instagram. It's called Before 5 a.m. if you want to join the club and kind of get involved. But I never drove to the office that early. Or would I, to be honest? Sometimes I go to the gym, and sometimes I just go work out. But the fact is, now I can go log into my virtual office, set up all my stuff, get my day ready, have everything planned anytime. And the really cool part, I could access that anywhere. Jumping into meetings, going into, having your agents meet up, just to access to finance, technology, all the services anywhere in the world is just really cool. It's something worth checking out. It's something worth looking at. If you're listening to this podcast and either you're in eXp, which if you are, good. You know it. You see it. You already know what it is. If you're thinking about eXp, reach out to me. I'll get you an invite to eXp World. I will meet with you personally, show you exactly what it is. I guarantee you it'll blow your mind. Look, thank you again. This is Explaining the Cloud with me, Anthony Dezette. We're talking about eXp Realty. Again, if you have any interest in the company, I would love the opportunity to chat with you. Have a good one. And thank you for checking out Explaining the Cloud with me, Anthony Dezette. And I'll tell you what, I just wanted to, if you're sitting here and you're just wrapping up the podcast, I just wanted to reach out and tell you we have a major announcement coming in a couple of days where eXp Realty is offering affordable healthcare to all their agents. I'll tell you guys, it's a game changer in the industry. Reach out to me. This is something you got to hear more about. Have a good one.